share. Here's Taryn and Paula with more.
All right, John, thank you. Thanksgiving is tomorrow, so we're talking food, of course.
Well, yeah.
We have to do that, right, Paula? And what I like about this recipe, it's a dump cake, so you don't have to be too particular.
Nope, this is really easy, and this is a fun recipe. On the recipe, it takes for 2 cans of pie filling, and so you could actually do 1 can of apple, 1 can of cherry, whatever your family likes.
Okay.
And to split it up, or just a big pan. I'm supposed to tell you this is farmer tested and approved from my dad.
How about your husband? Does he like it?
Yes, he likes it too, although I forgot the ice cream. So.
Oh, we were talking about ice cream. I love ice cream too. I can eat a lot of ice cream, I'll tell you that.
So you just add your pie filling, whatever you want, whether it's apple, cherry, blueberry, peach, whatever
fruit you like. Okay.
And I have a friend who is very allergic to cinnamon, so we would just eliminate the cinnamon step. And then you just kind of mix it up, and then you'll dump your
flour.
It's the cake mix.
Cake
and
mix.
This is just whatever cake mix you want to try. I did a white cake mix here, but you could very easily do spice cake or chocolate if you want to go crazy.
Okay.
And then you pour a whole stick of melted butter. If
Gotta
you
have
do
the
it,
butter, right?
yeah, and it just pours across the top of it. And if you want to go ahead and sprinkle the almonds across,
Okay.
and then this bakes for an hour.
This is pretty simple, Paula.
This is it.
Yeah, very easy.
And you can do almonds if you like, more or less, pecans, walnuts, whatever you feel like. And
Okay, and then this is the finished
And that's the finished project. And of course, I had to bring Cool Whip at least.
Okay, that's good
so
too.
I even forgot, I didn't bring the ice cream, but you got the Cool Whip. So.
Yeah, this looks great. Okay, well, give it a try here. And you said your father-in-law really likes this?
No, my father.
Your father.
My father.
But your father-in-law, your husband, everybody would
Well,
like
yeah. It did make it out to the harvest lunch this year, so.
I really like this. This is good. And it's easy. That's what I like.
It is. It's quick, and you can actually you could get this ready the night before and just put it in the refrigerator and then just bake it the next morning. So
Cherry almond dump cake, but whatever fruit you want to use.
Whatever fruit you want to use, you could go with it.
Sounds good to me, and we do have this recipe on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page already.
Yep.
Happy Thanksgiving,
I
Paula.
wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving too.
Thank you. Back to you, John.